If you think car ownership is expensive now, wait until you hear about the costly mistakes most drivers are making every single day without even realizing it. These aren't minor slip-ups. These are habits that can easily turn into $5,000, $10,000, or even $15,000 repair bills. From destroying your engine, ruining your transmission, and cutting your car's lifespan in half, the damage is real and it's happening silently. In this video, I'll reveal the 7 most expensive car care mistakes that drain your wallet and destroy your car's health. If you avoid just one of these mistakes, you could save thousands of dollars over your car's lifetime. So stay tuned till the very end, because I promise you, number 7 is the silent killer that mechanics see all the time. And before we jump in, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss out on money-saving car tips. Let's get started. Number 1. Ignoring oil change intervals. Most drivers think delaying an oil change by a few thousand miles won't hurt. But here's the truth. Modern engines are more sensitive than ever. Old, dirty oil doesn't just lose lubrication. It turns into sludge that clogs oil passages, starves critical components, and accelerates engine wear. Miss enough changes and you'll end up with a seized engine or a timing chain failure that costs anywhere from $3,000 to $8,000. Some even believe synthetic oil means they can ignore oil changes altogether. False. Even synthetic oil breaks down due to heat and contaminants. Always follow your car's manufacturer-recommended intervals. And if you do short trips or drive in stop-and-go traffic, change it sooner. Skip this mistake, and you could easily add 100,000 extra miles of healthy life to your engine. Number 2, driving with low tire pressure. Tires are the only thing connecting your car to the road, yet most people don't check them often enough. Running on underinflated tires doesn't just waste fuel. It creates uneven wear, overheats the rubber, and dramatically increases the chance of a blowout at highway speeds. Replacing tires early can cost you $600 to $1,200, but worse, a blowout can wreck your suspension or even total your car if it causes an accident. Not to mention, low pressure also forces your engine to work harder, burning more gas and putting stress on components like your CV joints and wheel bearings. Check your tire pressure every month and before long trips. Keep it at the manufacturer's recommended PSI, not the number written on the tire itself. This one simple habit can save you thousands in premature tire replacements and fuel costs. Number 3, skipping transmission fluid changes. This is the silent killer of modern cars. Many dealerships and salespeople love to tell you transmission fluid is lifetime. Here's the truth. No fluid lasts forever. Automatic transmissions, especially CVTs and modern 8 to 10 speed units, generate extreme heat. That heat breaks down fluid quickly, reducing its ability to lubricate and protect gears, clutches, and seals. Ignore fluid changes, and you'll face a complete transmission failure costing $4,000 to $10,000. Even though your manual may say lifetime, change the fluid every 40,000 to 60,000 miles. Fresh fluid keeps temperatures down, prevents shuddering, and extends your transmission's life far beyond average. This is one of the most expensive mistakes people make, and it's 100% preventable. Number 4, using cheap or wrong fluids. Coolant, brake fluid, and even windshield washer fluid matter more than most people think. Mixing cheap universal coolant with your factory-specific formula can lead to chemical reactions that corrode your radiator and water pump. Ignore brake fluid changes, and moisture buildup will destroy your ABS system. Even washer fluid plays a role. Using tap water instead of proper washer mix can corrode pumps and leave mineral deposits inside spray nozzles. A new cooling system can cost $1,500 plus. ABS repairs can hit $3,000. And these failures are always blamed on bad luck, when in reality, it's a maintenance mistake. Always use manufacturer-approved fluids. The extra $10 to $20 now prevents thousands in repairs later. Number 5, ignoring dashboard warning lights. That little check engine or oil pressure light isn't just a suggestion. It's your car screaming for help. Ignoring it can turn a $100 sensor replacement into a $5,000 engine rebuild. For example, A glowing oil pressure light could mean low oil levels, a failing oil pump, or a clogged filter. Drive too long with it, and your engine could seize. A transmission light ignored for months often ends in total failure. The smartest move is to scan your car with an OBD2 scanner. They cost less than $50 and can instantly tell you what's wrong. Don't wait until it's too late. A few minutes of attention today can save you years of financial regret. Number 6, driving hard on a cold engine. Engines need time to warm up, not by idling for 20 minutes, but by gentle driving for the first 5 to 10 minutes. Cold oil is thick and doesn't flow well, meaning your pistons, crankshaft, and turbochargers, if you have one, are running with limited protection. Flooring the gas pedal or revving high RPMs immediately after starting causes microscopic wear that builds up over time. Many blown head gaskets and turbo failures are traced back to this simple mistake. Instead, start your car, wait about 30 seconds, and then drive gently until the temperature gauge rises. This small habit can save your engine and turbo system from premature death. Skip this mistake, and your engine could last twice as long. Number 7, neglecting rust prevention. Rust is the silent killer that slowly eats away at your car's frame, brake lines, and suspension, all without you noticing until it's too late. Once it sets in, repairs are often impossible or insanely expensive. In snowy regions with road salt, rust can destroy a car in under 10 years. Even in mild climates, moisture buildup in wheel wells and undercarriage areas can corrode metal. A rusted brake line failure can cause total brake loss and cost $2,000 plus to repair. The fix? Wash your car regularly, especially the undercarriage. Apply rust protection sprays once a year and check drain holes in doors and rocker panels to keep water from pooling. Protecting against rust can literally double the life of your car. So there you have it, the 7 most expensive car care mistakes that quietly drain your wallet and destroy your car's reliability. Avoid these, and not only will you save thousands in repair bills, but you'll also drive a car that runs smoother, lasts longer, and gives you peace of mind. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these mistakes have you been guilty of? Drop your answer in the comments below. And before you go, make sure you like this video, subscribe to Car Care Expert, and hit the bell icon so you never miss the secrets that keep your car running like new. Thanks for watching. And remember, take care of your car and it will take care of you.